Okay, that's fine. Jump, it says jump. Wow.
The train is so colorful.
The way they're building up the little leaders, as they say, it's amazing to have my son Kabir in this school. We actually got him admitted to a different school.
Okay.
But then somebody told us about this school. We came here and we were in love with this school. We said, this is it. And he teaches me belly breathing also.
What changes do you see in your child?
See, Shaurya is an only child, so the biggest change I see is how involved he is now with other kids. So definitely inclusion has become a part of his life. He would not share his toys very willingly, but now he does. He's a more sorted and calm person than what he was. Most importantly, I think I'm thankful for life for giving me an opportunity to give Shaurya a platform like Dolphin Pod, that I can, come here and get associated and afford a facility like this, which is definitely a positive impact on my child.
At Dolphin Pod, they collaborate in raising a child. It's not about like they are here because parents are working somewhere. It's about the belief that a child has to be formed in values, he has to be looked after, loved, that motherly love. So I'm at peace over here. My child is here, I'm at peace, and I don't need to bother that whether she'll be fed, she'll be taken care of emotionally, physically, everywhere. She's in a secure environment, and when she comes back home happy, I'm really thankful for that.
It's very different. The hygiene is the foremost.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Hygiene is,
definitely, yeah.
You can sit anywhere on the ground.
She's very expressive. Before she wasn't. Soon after she joined Dolphin Pod, I have seen these changes in her and in her personality. It's highly recommended from my side.
Great.
They follow this hygiene and
Great.
clean and clean environment here. So definitely every parent wants that for the child.
Okay.
And also, like if you see, I was very concerned about the security. So one child is always attended. There's always a staff there.
Great.
So they are not left unattended. And I'm very, very grateful and thankful to Dolphin Pod for being the first institution and actually the first home for my daughter. She doesn't consider her home as a first home, but she
Wow.
considers Dolphin Pod as her family, as a